Instagram, Facebook. Just came to give you a quick analysis on how you can grow your YouTube channel with Google Analytics. Two things that I use are views. If you go there, you know me, Martin Morris, 53, 26 years in sales. Sold springs door to door. Worked at Costco, worked at Macy's, go to Tiger Martial Arts, Equitas Capital, cold call for real estate, cold call for janitorial supplies. So know all about sales. Put a couple of $1,000 into an investment for multi-million-dollar apartments or Grant Cardone. Sent myself to broke. Have one program I started, Too Old to Be the Broke Company, because I was sitting down and say, hey, you can be 20 years old and be broke. You're never too old to be broke. So go sign up for that. Develop programs. For example, my one to help you pay off your car loan faster. $185, $200, $300 programs. Yes, I charge you that much. If I could just help you pay off a $2,000, $3,000 car note within 6 months, it'd be well worth the money. So today I've talked to you, we've been talking a little bit about how to use Google Analytics on your videos on the YouTube channel to grow your your following. First thing you gotta do, just make videos. Just make videos. No matter how smart you are, how rich you are. Some people won't watch. Someone like Tony Robbins said, hey, I'm gonna get 1 million viewers on one video. Next video is 10,000. To him, that's zero. Your one could be like a one. So your one could be a victory for you. Zero is even a number. Zero is a victory, because that means, hey, you had the mental discipline to produce a video, put something out there. Something is better than nothing. But briefly, I'm going to hit you today. Just go put the videos. After you make the video, just go back and check it. It'll go Google, YouTube Analytics. I look at the views and I look at the time spent on viewing it, because that lets me know, is it a 0 or 1? So if it's 0, okay, this may not be a subject, but it may not be a subject today, but it could be something tomorrow. So at least it's there as like a library book. Now, if you see something that has 1, 2, or 3 views, okay, something's about this someone likes, and that's what you could use as your base. And as you start making more videos, hey, my video views, people used to watch for 2 minutes, people used to watch for, say, 5 seconds. Hey, now I'm up to 18 seconds. For me, people didn't watch. I remember it was 1 second, 2 seconds, 10 seconds. Now it's up to 18 seconds. And 18 seconds are like 28 seconds total, but 18 seconds, 28 seconds total of viewing it. But 18 seconds up. Okay, there's something in that video that I'm doing. Is it the title? Okay, let me try to do the same thing over. Let me see what type of video results I get. And that's how you're going to grow your channel. I've grown it to the point where I'm getting 14, 15. I've went from 14 to 25 to 14. And that's how it is with the views. One day it's up, one day it's down. This could be the economy. It doesn't matter. People aren't working. People don't like the subject, blah, 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 blah. Your most important thing is just to be honest. This is the content that you have. Put it out there. If they like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. But one thing is helping you fine-tune your skills on how to have people's attention. Okay, I have 1 second. Just think, people have the attention of a goldfish anyway. So if I held their attention for 1 second, it's like, whoa, that's not bad. 10 seconds, hey, that's like, Martin, my name is Martin. Welcome to Costco. Would you like to sign up for Costco home decorating? That's 5 seconds. Hello, my name is Martin. Would you like to sign up for Costco home decorating? Oh, would you like to see what's your name? Blah, 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 blah. That's like 10 seconds. Hey, my name is Martin. I'd like to sign up for Costco home decorating. And these are the times I have. In addition, would you like to buy a rug? That's 28 seconds. See? 1 second. My name is Martin. Boop. Like what I'm calling on Tiger. Like, hello, my name is Martin. Calling from Quaco. Boop. That's 5 seconds. Like 1 second. Hello, my name is Martin. I'm calling from Equitas Capital. Are you thinking about buying or selling a home? Boop. That's like 8 seconds. Hello, my name is Martin Morris. I'm calling from Equitas Capital. Are you thinking about buying or selling a home? No. Are you thinking about refinancing a home? Maybe. Now I'm up to the 28 seconds. You see, you're getting deeper and deeper in the process. As you start connecting with people, 0 views, 1 view, 5 views, 28 views. It's just showing you at least you're being consistent with your what Grant Cardone says, you got to be confident in the process. You got to just be consistent. You don't need to be all over the place anymore. Half the people are broke anyway, man. I'm telling you. You got people live with 5 or 6 people. Everyone has a Mercedes. How can everyone have a Mercedes when everyone's quitting their job? That's all I'm trying to say. And I hate Mercedes. It's a cheap car. Listen to the engine. Oh. I'm telling you, I know because I'm 53. I knew when Mercedes was just a shit car. Now everyone has it from the C model to the A model. Down in San Bernardino. Bah, 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 bah. Better not take that thing to that what is it? That Arco on baseline with the security walking around watching you. You're gonna end up in a big house. I'm telling you, man. That's what happens when you try to buy cheap gas or these expensive cars you can't afford. But back to what I was talking about. If you start learning the skills to hold the attention. Now my goal is to see, hey, what can I do to roll that 28 seconds to 35, 34? Then after that, hey, I got the person's attention. Can I overcome their objections? It's a game. It's a game. That's one thing YouTube will do, is help you improve your communication skills. It will help you improve your copyright skills, and just help you improve your skills on how to hold people's attention. And then by doing that, you'll make more money, because it's all about promote. So for some of you guys that want a little more training, first, I want you to buy my $29.99 Cash Flow is my discount t-shirt. $29.99 Cash Flow is my discount t-shirt, because you just need the t-shirt to remind you, money. You must make money. It's all about the money, man. I don't care if you shop at Audi's. Oh, God help you. Or if you shop at Val's like me. Or if you shop at Trader Joe's, you get 1 or 2 items, and you walk back to your car with your 5 kids, walk back to that Audi or that Mercedes or Land Rover with 5 kids, 2 jars of I don't know what the fuck you buy. 2 jars of what the fuck, and get in like, okay, let's go. Then I find out you shopping at Superior Market. You guys, Avalon and El Segundo, bagging your own groceries. That didn't can looks good. Let's get it. Sugar, a sugar, or what is it called? Like, it says sugar, but it's like it's in Ukrainian. How much is it? $1.59. I'll go on and buy it. I hope the Ukrainian people, even the Ukrainian people, don't eat their own sugar, but they send it over here to California because you ain't got no money, man. So I say $29.99 Cash Flow is your discount. If not, now for some of you guys with the fancy cars, like I told you, $185, $200, $345. Programs to help you pay off your car loan faster. Let me just help you get that car loan paid off faster. You need it, man, especially some of you driving around with these Mercedes and BMWs on donuts. I hope you're making a car note while you're driving on that donut at 80 miles an hour down the freeways, so you can flip over and cause me a whole bunch of headache on the freeway. Let me help you pay off that car loan. Let me help you get 1 or 2 months ahead so you can do the proper repairs. All right, you guys, go think about it. Let me know what you think. Use YouTube to improve your communication. Then after that, I want you to use YouTube to help you grow your viewers. We're going to go viewers and time, both the same, sort of. Later.